Welcome. My name is Noah Scheinbaum. This is my solution to AOIME Problem 5. If you're new here, subscribe or click the link in the description to join CNCM. We'd be happy to have you, and it's become a very good resource. We have over 700 people. Anyway, getting into the problem now. It's a relatively short one, but it's a lot of fun. Okay, so for each positive integer n, let f of n be the sum of the digits in the base 4 representation, and g of n be the sum of the digits in the base 8 representation of f of n. And then it gives a couple of examples here. So let n be the least value, capital N be the least value of lowercase n, such that the base 16 representation of g of n cannot be expressed using only the digits 0 through 9. Find the remainder when capital N is divided by 1,000. So, the smallest number that cannot be expressed in a hexadecimal using only the digits 0 through 9 is 10, written in hexadecimal as a. So that means that the function g as applied to capital N outputs a value of 10, which means that the smallest base 8 number in which the sum of the digits is 10 is 37 in base 8, which ends up being 31 in base 10. So f of capital N is 31. And the smallest base 4 number in which the sum of the digits is 31 is a 1 followed by 10 threes. Finding the base 10 value of this is not too hard, but it is a little bit time consuming until you realize that this is just equal to 2 followed by 10 zeros minus 1, and 2 followed by 10 zeros is just the same as 2 times 4 to the 10th power, and then 1 is 1 no matter what base you're in. And now, if you rewrite that, 4 to the 10 is equal to 2 to the 20, so if you multiply this out, you get 2 to the 21 minus 1. And through a little bit of multiplication, most people have memorized that 2 to the 10 equals 1,024. Maybe you've already gone the extra mile and memorized 2 to the 21. If you don't worry, just square 1,024 and then multiply it by 2. And then subtract 1. Either way, you're going to end up with 2,097,151. And since it was looking for the remainder when divided by 1,000, the answer is 151. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, like I said, click the subscribe button down below. Join CNCM using the link in the description. Thank you for watching our video. See you all soon.